Hi, I'm Jeff with HTP America, and we are going to show you today how to remove what's left of a needle bearing out of this starter housing. This is a starter that was on a boat, and the drive, as you can see, was overheated, the bearing seized, and now we have to get what's left of the bearing out of the housing. And we're going to do that with our Invertig 221. It's a neat little trick. So it's a little hard to light, but basically you can see what's left of the outside of that needle bearing race is in here. And you can see we tried to previously heat this up and pound this out, and all we did was destroy this. So what we're going to do is we're going to run a little bead around the outside of this, no filler metal, just to heat it up, and then when it cools, it should just hopefully fall right out. That's the object of the exercise. So when I got this starter out of the boat, this is the Bendix drive, you can see how overheated this bearing, this area is here. And basically this thing was totally seized, and when we pulled it out, that needle bearing literally just fell apart. So obviously we have to get down into this bore, and we're going to use this Edge GL5 XXL cup that will enable us to get into this bore and just run a bead. So we're gonna just put some heat into this, get it hot, let it cool, and hopefully it will fall out. Yep. So here's the bearing, and you can see, okay, so we got the bearing out, and it's a little hard to see, but we just ran kind of a molten, got it molten in the center, let it cool. I did have to beat it out a little bit, but it did enable me to get it out. And now all we have to do is get that bearing, put that starter back together, and we're good to go. Okay, so the starter's all assembled. Now we want to test it. Looks good. $5 bearing, fixed it.